Hey guys, I received a question. Someone asked complete alignment head or where to find it. If you want to complete alignment head for this printer is Epson Workforce WF7840. You need to go to home, scroll to the side, select settings, then scroll to maintenance. Select maintenance, then you will see print quality adjustment, print head nozzle check, print head cleaning, print head alignment, ink cartridges replacement, paper guide cleaning, remove paper. This is where you can find this from the maintenance. Okay, you can print quality adjustment, print head nozzle check, print head cleaning, print head alignment, and also replace ink. This is where you can find this information. If you want to complete alignment, you select print head alignment, then you give you option for rule line alignment or horizontal alignment. This is where to find this information. If you want to know the full process, check my videos how we have done this before, but I just want to show you where you get this information. You just need to go to settings, then go to maintenance, select maintenance, then you see print quality adjustment, print head nozzle check, print head cleaning, print head alignment, and even ink cartridges replacement. So this is where you can find this information from maintenance. Thank you very much and stay blessed.